all excited to know more about stock market. For today's video we were going to tackle about a book review about stock market. This book review is all about Masterclass with Super Investors by Vishal Mittal. These are the key takeaways from this book. Masterclass with Super Investors is a curated compilation of in-depth interviews with some of India's most accomplished stock market investors. Each of these investors has at least a few decades of experience investing in the Indian stock markets and has successfully navigated the highs and lows of the market. They bring together different investment styles, thus giving us a variety of perspectives and tools to use in the market. It's like every individual has the same bat, the same ball, and the same environmental conditions, but their playing style is drastically different. Everyone has their style, temperament, experience, upbringing. All these things probably contribute to the development of investment philosophy. Investors have used leveraged positions, played with cyclical and commodities, and shorted the market. Many have traded, used options and futures, jumped in and out with cash, and been wrong several times. On a personal level, these things gave me some comfort as I struggled with a few thoughts about the ground rules of investments. The interviews have been very insightful, getting to know their multi-bagger stock, their screening criteria for picking stocks, risk-reward ratio, and exciting perspective about their thoughts towards the market in general. The problem arises when an investor says that I want to invest everywhere. If you go for dinner and try to eat everything, you will not enjoy anything. The problem arises when an investor says that I want to invest everywhere. If you go for dinner and try to eat everything, you will not enjoy anything. So on. It was a much more helpful discussion than several others who talked more about their behavioral patterns. I agree that attitude is essential, as almost every interviewee displayed these characteristics in their journey. There is no single formula to succeed in the markets. Each of the profiled investors has. They managed to find unique ways to excel. The common denominator is passion and sheer hard work needed to get an edge. The profiled investors also believe there will be no shortage of opportunities in the coming years. This is good news. Still, investors should not think this means that options will appear in the same form as 20 years ago. With PMS funds launched every day, one is not likely to get the next Bajaj Finance at single-digit PEs. The biggest reason for the phenomenal success of the profiled investors is not investing in the right stocks 20 or 30 years ago but simply investing at a time when no one was. Everyone can say no. Everyone chooses different companies in general. There are different styles, leverage, time horizons, but the long-term seems to be an everyday style. In the stock market, every successful investor has a cemetery of failed investors. In the stock markets, you have to be skilled and lucky to attain the great heights these men have achieved in their chosen field, investing. Some explained how difficult it is to sell during up times, as it appears foolish to the novices and retail investors, how immense mental fortitude is needed to stand by the decisions of sale, apparently appearing stupid during the upswings. Equally important is the stamina to hold on to a business during free falls and decisions to hold over decades. That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned many new things about the stock market. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Also, follow our Facebook page to learn more about the stock market.